Hey everyone, Zane here, and today we'll show you how to check in on American Airlines app. The first thing that you should do is to simply go and download the application from App Store or Play Store and make sure that it has the latest update. And when you open the application, you will be able to access the sliding menu at the bottom of the screen. And there you will see two options: your flight status, and find trip. Choose whichever one you prefer if you need help finding the specific trip or if you are already logged in using your credentials. When you click on the flight status option, you will be able to see the flight that is attributed to your name and account. So after you select that option, simply look at the details of your flight and you will have the option at the top to check in. You can use the QR code presented or explore any of the other options inside of the app. After you do, make sure to board and arrive at the correct time that is specified on the status of your boarding pass. And that's all for today's video. I hope this video is useful to you all. Please support us with like, hit that bell icon to get all the new videos. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.